Mantis car over. Car. So let's open this. I got it. Now let's compare to the other Mantis I have. This one's a different color than these two. So this one is my old one and he's the new one. So right here. Now, this one opens up this part, but you don't allow to, but he kind of broke it. So there's two mantises. Now, I hope you want to watch this and subscribe. Bye-bye.